You can set up a SatrixNOW account for your child. Here's how. Parents and guardians will need to have an existing SatrixNOW account. As a parent or guardian, log into your account. Click on the top right profile icon menu and select Add your child's account. Enter your child's details, including their ID number and address. This should automatically be registered as yours. Enter their personal address if they don't reside with you. During the FICA step, provide declarations for your child's source of funds, occupation and income. Default options for minors are pre-selected. You can create login details for your child's account. These can then be linked to their own email address. Finally, accept the terms and conditions to complete the registration. Check the email inbox to confirm the account setup. Now, with your guidance, your child can start their investment journey. Visit our help center for more information. Satrix. Own the market.